MCP, Model Context Protocol. We have discussed in our previous video. You haven't checked out till yet, go and have a look at here. So in the card I have put that link, go and access. So we have discussed its introduction, what exactly is it, with and the suitable example of USB hub. You can understand it better, what exactly is it. So why this MCP really matters and why is this the next future big thing in AI? So MCP mainly majorly make complex workflows of AI agent into a seamless single workflow. How? Let's look at a simple example. As so here you wanted a stuff, so you will go to Amazon first, then you will be web searching after you will find your suitable product, and you will be third add to it to your cart, and then finally fourth you will be placing order. So here MCP does the same, but it lets go the process in one go without adding multiple AI agents for multiple operations as web searching, clicking to Amazon, and searching for a browser, adding to cart, and placing the order. So this is mainly made using MCP, a single workflow. This is why MCP is most relevant and helpful, and it is a big thing in future. So let's build our AMS agents using MCP. There are majorly two process to build agents. So let's get started. And there is a GitHub repository of Model Context Protocol of its own self. So here are few of the pre-built workflow agents, and we will be looking after building two or three agents from this list. So this is what it's offer us pre-built. So the first way to build agent is using Cling on VS Code. So go to the VS Code, open the extension session. So here write down the claim bot here. So this is what we have to install. Just install it. You will be finding the interface of it. So here you can enter any of the API key. It gives multiple options to enter: Anthropic, Google Gemini, DeepSeek, Mistral, OpenAI, Alibaba, LM Studio. So we will be getting a Google API key, Gemini key here. So how to get the API key is basically go to the Google AI Studio and click on Get API keys, create an API key, select one of it and hit create API key. So paste the API key over here and click to let go. Here we have there are a bunch of agents in this, so we will look after one perplexity to set up this, and just click to install, and we will be running the perplexity research. Here he has fetch every API keys and the document. Just run this command. This, so here the last part is to run this. Run down this now command which is given by our agent. Now run this command. Now run this command as it is given. Here we have completed of building our agent perplexity. Just enter the API key to get the proper linkage with the perplexity. You can use the deep research tool of it on VS Code and get your coding experience boost. So this let us building agent as a first type. So we will move after the type 2, how to build agents using MCP. So to build AI agent, we need cursor in this type 2. So whoever doesn't know, cursor is a code editor powered by totally AI, which helps you to write code efficiently. And whoever doesn't know how to code, AI agent will do on your behalf. It will write code. It's a no code platform, you can assume. So whoever has doesn't download it from here. So download according to your required operating system. So this is the interface of Cursor. Go to our Smithry website, and we have opened the sequential thinking as. So here is an MCP server which gives us a response structure my thinking process. It's give a detail on pledged thinking process that can develop and evolve. Each through can build on upon a system. So we will go to here cursor section. So go here in JSON, copy down the code. After getting into Windows, if you are using Windows or else you are a Mac or Linux user, copy this code. Go to the cursor AI and click over the settings, go to your MCP, click here the new MCP, just paste it over here and you are good to go, and you have want to save it. So you have now it is now activated. We would be giving him a prompt, and this is the prompt which we have to build on, and this is the process we will be requesting to build. And this is a step-by-step format he gave us to build, so you can have a look at the database design and all, implementing new phase, how to execute this plan. This is what the power of MCP. You can have a look at this, how precisely step by step the decisions he has gave the answer.